Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we have a 2015 Nissan Juke with nut compression on the cylinder 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have the measure right there: 40, 50, 40 and 70 psi. Okay, so how can you test the compression? The compression tester is this one, okay, but you need a special fitting on the bottom to the hose. Okay, look, this is the little one fitting, because the spark plugs looks like I think, I'm not pretty sure, okay, but that one is with you need the socket 9/16, look, or 14 millimeters, but this one, look, sorry, 14 millimeters is not good, but this one, let me focus, yeah, 9/16 is the right one. Okay, you can use this socket to remove the spark plug. Okay, once that you remove the spark plug, you can check the compression with the hose and the compression tester. Okay, so just put the hose and then put the gauge on the hose, right there, and 6 seconds to cranking. Okay, look, let me crank the vehicle. 6 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn off, and we're going to measure the compression. And look at this, pretty bad. Okay, for now we have the measure on 60. This is the second measure that I do. And look, cylinder number 2, 50 psi. Okay, the correct measure looks like 150, 180, but for now it's in the red mark. Okay, so we need to replace the motor and that vehicle. We're going to disassemble first the cylinder head and check the cylinder head gasket, and then we're going to check the cylinders and pistons. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Bye bye.